Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's up y'all? How you doing? It's your girl Cindy. And today's video guys, I'm going to tag you along with me in shags. As you can see, niko kwa shamba majani. So kindly guys subscribe. Tell a friend. Hit the subscribe button. Let's get to the video. No. Ndani?
Sina unanipiga tu. Unanipiga kama kwa mbali kidogo.
So this is a borehole which pumps water by solar water pumping. So there's no stress ya maji at home. It was installed by GeoLabs. Mtu anaweza chuna?
How do you know a cabbage is good for harvesting?
Kwa sawa. My shag is cold, super cold, so misty as you can see. Juicy sweet ones, they're very many. These are the baskets used to collect stealing. Them cuffs. Hi, Coffee. Wow, so cute. For those who don't know, this is how the paths look like. You find your way inside kwa line. How do you enter here now? Like here there's a, here kuna line, you squeeze yourself in, you go toke uko mwisho. Thank you for watching guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Please guys, subscribe. We on our road to 1,000 subscribers. See you next time. Bye bye.